Entebusan ya to fuel prices mu ama Ghana for no Edwala Mahama abekasa obedi nkomo afa fuel prices na ekosro no na ahye Ghana for bufuo ama omo adwala in fact Mahama mekasa kura danka emfaso ewoso memo nchirimu no akere wadwen e de amame ewo comment section ayi Penyah block media mesra say ni di mu obe like video no da ma subscribe button samba click notification icon for latest update number chere wadwen de amame ewo comment section obaso no watch for say nya bia hwe me kan phone la money sana pena de amount more US and UK don't pay send ska e de be fia sumdwe mu to Ghana and any other Africa country bia so a mon fanala and send ska ko Play Store and Apple Store na etwenala app no Ato Forson sign up na send ska to nipa krono no mobile money account in Ghana or any other Africa country obviously just send their bank account mo a very fast transaction or send ya this can do fee na emuna na la force no o fan promo code Penyah TV na o mbecha $20 amazing for free yan fanala and send iska na yenko now let's go to the story na mama fa anko akire kakra 2016 ye to cover Irene ya dey cover Air Ghana konwa so na petrol price na eda 3 cedis 95 pesos e wo Ghana ha na mo ba na ko world marketer na per barrel no eda $58 etna o check any inflation rate any exchange rate na say e was a ton no 3 cedis column honomo 18 ton petrol Ghana ha within 3 cedis column and they go for etna konwa so 2017 it go to 2022 early January 2022 no na fuel price eda 6 cedis column honomo and sana Russia Ukraine won ebe start here into that early January 2022 no and fuel petrol eda 650 pesos e Ghana hanam no now call world marketer for price per barrel for crude oil no now akodru $78 now it renew from $78 to $81 per barrel at the latter part of January 2022 krona no now increase cause that time now Russia Ukraine won started enti ye free all mu konya na se fuel no ekokosro ejekodru February 23rd February 2022 no a day before the invasion that was the Russia Ukraine war no before say omoba strike no na crude oil per barrel at $92 column but at the 24th na akodru $100 per barrel and as a general month February year 2022 no na crude oil akodru $106 per barrel net a fuel so Ghana hanom ebo no start ekokosro en kakra ejekodru on the 7th of March 2022 no and I say fuel world market price etiati say Brent crude global price benchmark for crude oil no na omo per barrel akodru $140 and that is the highest ever recorded price of crude oil in the world market. It happened on the 7th of March 2022 under the Penyah government and it started here. It go through $140 per barrel at the world market. From that time no, na e born e cost kakra na above from e co na above from as I go through November 2022 to November no, na it was also ranging between $130 between $120 to $140. But at that same time now Ghana ha exchange rate affected because now you see no ahode some the come from ama dollar abenya ahode na dollar sa cost 2022 na dollar e cost dollar enam 16 cedis ana petrol fuel so nam $120 per barrel. The highest price of fuel price recorded in Ghana here no it happened in November 2022. Now they turn petrol 17 cedis echo they fancy 18 cedis and they connect 17.7 they fancy 18 cedis and diesel no echo 23 cedis. Go ya de bia na ya de go and air goes go no omo ya de go fuel and air because go no omo na bibia no price na ya na lead higher it no bia air bia na calculation bia ya de air e wo Ghana hanti according to go no na omo ebeton omo fuel no close to 18 cedis omo petrol close to 18 cedis and omo diesel no close to 23 cedis column honomo e ma de 222 krona no Mahama Mahama say ai Ghana se Russia and Ukraine kuntokwa for Ghana ho bay
Ukraine Russia war na Ukraine Russia omoko a efa ya Ghana for efa ya ho bay ya tie baby Ukraine Russia war wo hwe wo tena play mu na wo ka say wo call Ukraine wo fi Accra 7,000 kilometers ansa no akodru na omoko mu ntokwa den say yesika sem Na Cote d'Ivoire nso nka sɛ sɛ Russia Ukraine na ɔmo ko ɛnso
yɛte Ghana ha Russia to Ukraine ɛkwan ne wa kyɛ sɛ Ghana to Russia ɛkwan ne wa Ghana to Ukraine ɛkwan ne wa ɛni sɛ ɔmo yɛ no ɔmo ko ntɔkwa a ɛfa Ghana ho bɛn edifu ɛbɔ na ɛkɔ soro deɛ ɛyɛ akunfo a dɛm mo fun ɛnyɛ Russia Ukraine ho asɛm ha ɛbɛka nsɛm bi enti NDC started playing politics with this aburo mo nimu sɛ world market price no ɛkɔ soro inflation rate affect Ghana ana exchange rate also affect Ghana eti bibia ɛkɔ soro fu ɛbɔ kɔ soro no ɔmo ka sɛ ɛnyɛ ɛyɛ akunfo ne ba ɔmia ɔmo na abɔn ana ɔmo nim amemu ne so ana fuel price agigi wo mu nsɛm but ye free 2022 November nim ɛkɔ se ɛboɔ no ɛso start ɛtete ya ɛmekɔdu 2024 yɛkɔto aba ana akufo ade baomia elusi MPP elusi ye ɛne kɔduru 6 January 2025 ne de Mahama ɛbɛtena kunya sɛ de Mahama ɛbɛtena kunya na petrol ɛda 14.99 ana diesel ɛda 15 column 15.6 and said the akonyan Emma Mahama. But luckily for Mahama, 2025 now, and a world market price for fuel started a call from when they go through April 2025 no. Now fuel price at the world market per barrel na at from $140 no abedru as low as $63 per barrel, more than half, and swat from $140 per barrel abedru $63 to $71 per barrel. Nese uchekia nese nka wasenka Ghana no yetimi tie fuel so e falling below 8 cedis kra. Yetimi tie so kra man tra 8 cedis. But that same April 2025 no na fuel bo na yeton petrol 13 cedis 80 pesos and above. And you turn diesel 15 cedis 95 pesos and above. Ewa Ghana ha. April 2025 wa. Now world market price for crude oil as what you know. Ghana still near the TFU so. Near TFU so. Meanwhile na Ato Forson mokra sa de be a friend doom so levy aba energy sector levy. And the bomu ka say ya no say Ghana for you to near ase a because of anunti no. Ye hu an increment in electricity, you want increment in fuel prices. Despite all these dreams, all you know, now fuel boy I started air costro and kakran. Every 31st July, Ebera August mo. Anyone say and come be ever media say new prices for fuel. I say ra August mo ebeba. I know me say petrol no ebeko 16 cedis. Ama diesel no akọ 19 cedis. Ama nem no kase no 3rd August 2026 no. Okwa Gulf filling station na petrol at the 16 cedis and the diesel at the 19 cedis. Na ebe na Ghana for ni bi enwinwis na excellency. Ye ba mu say cause said ye ebo na de ma obaji akonya no kra no. Wo dia na akọtra. Because that akonya ne ma na at the 14 cedis. But now kwa de asa akọ nim bro so. Ba ne say then of course because obeka kire be ati say Russia Ukraine war no entimi yansan so Ghana konya Ghana mamuo so eni yansan so on Ghana's economy and Ghana's market. What is going on? What happened? Mahama obeka so tire mu say now no ekona Iran and American for ekona Strait of Hormuz ho na esi atwe fa anwo ahodo na no ho na ye de efa na ya tumu no Mahama kire se eno eka ho bi ana amafu ebo no e kosro.
For almost 7 months now, there has been a war ongoing in the Gulf between Iran, Israel, and America. That war has caused disruption in many parts of the world. In many countries, people are having to queue for fuel. In many countries, the price of fuel has risen astronomically. In many countries, their economies are affected by the current war. I must say that because of the role of TOR and Centuo in refining local crude and making sure that petroleum products are available on the market, Ghanaians have hardly felt the effects of the war that is going on in Iran.
In Nepal 2022, Obeka say Russia-Ukraine war. Any say so Ghana ye be biaso. And for a fact, so the distance between Ghana to Ukraine, close to about 5,000 to 6,000 kilometers. Ghana to Russia, about 7,100 kilometers. But where Ghana to USA, about 8,000 kilometers away. Ghana to Iran, about 6,000 kilometers away. Let's say, so compare Russia and Ukraine war, and no ben Ghana mom, as in USA and Iran. But Mama today say, yan to say US and Iran war na and no crowd way today man Ghana no, and no mom affect Ghana's economy. Say, shut, yeah, I'm say it for. Moga say nkwase afo. Moga say nkura. Ama de Mahama kan kwesi amuno kan say no. The Zoko world marketer, crude oil, ebo eda $83 per barrel. Eda $83. 2018 fuel crude oil world market ekodru $84 crap per barrel. Na eye $84 per barrel 2018 crana na ene 2026 de ebin ben ho. Na Kufad emeto petrol 12 cedis. Ni afia beto diesel no 13.4 cedis. That time na dollar board in sinene na inflation ewo soro esinene but ene dollar ewo form. Inflation aba form. World market price for crude oil ene 2018 de ben ewo form kwa 2018 de ba ene fuel bo den sine Kufu at the time. Say calculation be no say inflation was form. Fuel price ewo from the world market. Exchange rate ewo form. But still, you compare in 2018 and never one in 2018. Just India. Say, where are Ghana for me? There be and send a hammer air can and senior mutrimu into Omo Abe clash with His Excellency the President John Mahama.
Hey, na Messia Busia for baby a petrol in Amno. Baby a petrol ni diesel and in Amno. Na do free akunya so na petrol and na diesel 14 point something. And na petrol ye jama 13 point something. 8 years in office and no kana Ghana for more kasa. NDC for President John Mahama the other time in his speech to be or say economic factor be Iran. Because of Iran war in our petrol. It's not NDC for no money. Say external factors. It's me, market for economy, crash. Yet you people use this against the MPP government. And because people minds are shallow, Ghana Hamesi, a funnel chain was formed. 8 years in office, now top it to 18 cities, and now work. Mahama Memu, just 1.5 years, petrol kikako 22, diesel, kikako 22 cities. Na more kasa ya sandi a friend is saying levy change chabe to they say levy near 1 cedi 98 pesos akaka na 2 cedi na the time na 0.20 pesos is 50 pesos no kan promotion na do 3 more thing na do ye within na do ya mesi akura ba bia wo bia nyame nhira na do ba bia wo bia oni Dr. Laji Mamu. The God of our land is going to bless this man. Na be nyame be shane papa no oda obeda Ghana for mo be ti papa na say. This man was giving out free SHS within 8 months of MPP. Na ya launch free SHS and Kolako school free under NDC. Their 24-hour economy, they have not been able to implement it. 24-hour economy was the major campaign of the NDC, but they have not been able to even accomplish even one. And now almost 24-hour economy near 24-hour markets. Na Ghana market a good grow we mukrampo ni ko wie. Hospitals are can I'm saying this if one aban we they said we ma born. Ato is forcing. They say ya say Ato is forcing bi mo nka first. Ato forcing the kind budget no nam dwam. This year all the kind budget media budget ye hu Ato forcing say onam dwam. Masa ne boarding. Entos what will come market when it chia entos. Then you know this for the year campaign do. me se mo amoto am abama NDC de mo benum ho papa mo num ho na mo ntimi nka e hihya mo mfe na ebubu mo mfe gum Monday so GPRT fon so ma tro fam me se Ghana ha de afi we ha be de papa e say ye betu ye nya to transport mu say ban enye be nya be san kosoro ana minim separate NDC die nka omo aba no nka omo promise ye heaven ni atimu no wo ha na ye de aduane abrɛw ye akodi dwa abrɛw so se ne atimu no dada no a besem obi abeti ni so me obi abeti ni dodom nka ni dodom mesi nya ne atim MPP NDC so nya ne atim wo market ayen ka se me MPP ni ntia nto ma me se de mekwa akoto no saa na so mekwa akoto no ti munye di ni nya ye ntinam
the media houses ne bloggers no asia ye din no emwanwa o mahu sesi ase petrol enenam 15.99 diesel enam 19.20 some of the fuel stations so enam 18 point something near the so like but the media houses obia ye din as at the time my president Nanado all free abamu Mukai say me posti say TikTok should remind me in 4 years time. It's just 2 years. But as at the time I ever buy muna diesel. And in I'm 14 point something. Mukai. So munkaya won't can't me quite fast me video no about two another video so I'm on. And never be a the electricity tariffs. I can see. First near to electricity 5,000 10,000. See, I told electricity almost 15,000 a month. Like, and so the same water tariffs and also cost. But obia and kasa obia ye di nyoma boy ye di market o. Nyoma boy di market o. Chain said and another wo wa na tie no. Nso obia ye di aden.
Bishop diesel bono sa cost ze kra dem ze menya betina fidie no so na NDC for no but you see news no dey eba I will say you know the ba bonte na obi ehu ne ekọ se na bia de china wo to fuela omfa eye ebo dada no enko abusa for ende eye diesel bono ze no eye 17.99 aka 1 peswa na eye 18 Ghana cedis edrowie na ye de atoso no mfogin na wa hwe no ye de say ye 2 million na chirisi na arehosam ne say Mahama aba never say free na wotwe ai twembesi na wotwe mu watum be for watufu amu 4 times na arehosam say aban no say on the 1st of August obesa tufu obo mu ebiom we dey ka say eno na me da to so no 1st of August memenda e dey animu ya and dey Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday 3 days a day anim no Mahama so obesa to petrol fu obo mu ebiom tebushafo aban papa aba let's enjoy.
Ghana for Asamaba. Tembia meka Mrs. John Mahama na no oye president during COVID. Any you can say Russia Ukraine war. Na Ghana for we be wu ke be wu ti se moa. Ke be wu ti se moa. Na ka nipa beka o Ghana po nya sure 100 ko bedu. Jesus. Onim die ntia. Jesus. Video na wo hwe no. According to John Mahama o say be 7 months ni Russian ebesi Russia, America and Israel, and Iran, what I'm so account bomb beef, and to quite giddy. In Tiama crude oil, affected in Quafo, I can say, I'm my so more economy, affected in Tiama crude oil, a bit more countries more man of work or so, according to John Mahama. And according to the same John Mahama, say, Tema oil refinery. And I have Ghana Sisia, more produce oil, and the Magana Sisia, Magana, Diano. I could do 17. Omon more produce no. Omon Magana for oil, and I could do 17. This I could do 17. It's imagine, say, Ghana Libra, Tokoto suppress a prayer. Imagine, say, Russia and Ukraine war, plus COVID, na, Tema oil refinery. Enye juma na o mal produce Ghana oil until be sounds like oil by this time my Mama tisi oil akoduru ahe tema for e produce oil the Ghana for puni o ma so anu puni e na oil na 7 this is 17 cedis 17 point something. I pay me share 17 point something. 17.30 you said well. 17.30 you said. Enti busa ho say sanya temafo a mo produce yen kakra. Enti nka busa ho say nka mo fa ne sen. Nka say liter number 50 cedi. Ye ka kire mo. Also obo temafo abaso. Sanya temafo a na ke aso be ye hye papa. Na na go for the time they no mo craft outside go. Enti en put na kodu 17 cedis. We yen craft outside go temafo na produce mine. What a country. One can you know. Imagine that John Mahama na ba COVID type any a Russia Ukraine war. Na ka meno ke gina ha. What a country.
Obet ma chira wa adwene e dia mame. E wo comment section. Hi Penyah Media. Akra.